Hello everyone! Today I thought I could film a small personal project. I am going to be restoring an old purse I purchased in Thailand 4 years ago. I love the size and shape so much, but the print is getting harder to clean. So I thought about sewing a layer of this gorgeous Botticelli painting on top. It was custom printed to the scale of my purse on a cotton twill fabric. So I start by removing the flap closure. I always thought it was in the way, so I won't be sewing it back on. Then I remove the flap attachment, which I won't need anymore. This piece made 2 small holes in the fabric, so I made sure this was fully closed with hand stitching. Next step was to remove the top binding. I was careful since I wanted to sew it back on later. So now I'm measuring my fabric to cover one side of the purse, adding a seam allowance of 1.5 centimeter. I start by pinning the bottom edge in place, and then I'm turning right side down to cut the top portion. I'm now just pinning all around. I'm creating holes here so that the straps can move freely. When the first side was in place, I decided to do the same on the other side as well. I'm hand stitching everything in place. It wasn't really easy. The fabric underneath was very thick and the brown piping was sort of in the way, but I managed. I'm also stitching the holes made for the strap, just so there's no fraying. The final step was to put back the binding and stitch it by hand. So here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY project. I hope this can inspire you in modifying old accessories in your closet. Be creative, have fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye!